Hey guys! Today we will teach you how to make a healthy snack and super easy to prepare, a mix of nuts and dried fruits. This recipe is perfect for those looking for a quick and practical option to kill hunger between meals. Unlike industrialized snacks, the mix of nuts and dried fruits is a healthy, nutrient-rich option. Chestnuts are rich in healthy fats, proteins and fiber, while dried fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. In addition, this snack is super versatile and can be taken anywhere. Before we start with the preparation of this delicious recipe, nutritious and healthy, let's go to ingredients. 1 cup Brazil nuts, 1 cup almonds, 1 cup walnuts, 1 cup raisins, 1 cup dried apricots, 1 cup dried cranberries. Now let's go to staging mode. In a large bowl, mix all the nuts and dried fruits. Transfer to a container with airtight lid and store in a cool, dry place. So, did you like that recipe? So don't forget to leave your like, comment and subscribe on our channel so you don't miss any news. And don't forget to check out our ebook with over 30 healthy recipes for your day-to-day. The link to download the ebook is in the video description. Thanks for watching and until the next.